first thing is to remove the pin and the handguard. Next, remove the handguard itself, and then go to the mag well and remove the pin holding it by unscrewing it with an Allen wrench. Once you unscrew it, simply push it out with the Allen wrench. Now push in on the magazine release and remove the mag well. Next, you can remove the screw in the back of the gearbox by using the same Allen wrench. Now remove the screws holding the pistol grip. Next, you're going to push forward on your hop-up unit and pull down your pistol grip and gearbox. Unattach the electrical harness. Next, you are going to remove the 3 screws that were underneath the foregrip. When you unscrew them, be aware of the nuts that may fall out. You might need to push out the screws if they're still retained inside the gun using a push pin. After the screws are removed, simply push forward on the gas block and those will come out. To remove the hop-up unit, simply push forward and turn 90 degrees. Then remove the spring along the barrel and remove the C-clip. Now you can remove the entire hop-up unit itself, exposing the bucket and the barrel by itself. If you are interested in removing the front sight, simply push out the pin holding it. You can do the same with the back sight. Now you have completely field stripped your G36. If you are interested in knowing how to take apart the magazine, you simply unscrew the Allen screw at the bottom of the magazine, then remove the base plate, then push up and the magazine internals will come out. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.